Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hey guys, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. This is me, Varun Namdar, and I am here to give you tasty and delicious tiffin recipes for every school day. So today, let's make savory veg pancakes. As easy as they are to whip in the kitchen, they're also delicious enough for your child to polish off in school and bring back home an empty tiffin. On that note, let's make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. I'm going to keep the base of the savory veg pancakes as besan or gram flour. Well, gram flour is a source of fiber, but more than that, it's an excellent source of protein. And this is the protein that helps in the growth of muscle mass of a child's body. To this, let's add in some vegetables as per your choice. But what I'm using is some cabbage. Along with this, some chopped tomatoes, sweet peppers, bell peppers, chopped onions, and along with this, grated carrots. Let's add in some seasonings and spices. The first one to begin is turmeric powder or haldi. To this, let's add in some freshly cracked black pepper. Along with this, crushed coriander or coriander powder, a little bit of chili powder, salt as required, and finally, to add in a tomato zing and to take the flavor and taste of this pancake several notches higher, I'm adding Kissan Tomato Ketchup. Finally, we need to add in water and make a thick paste. Finally, when this entire mixture becomes pasty and lump-free, time to add in some more water and make it like a thick batter. While making this batter, also ensure to heat the pan on high flame and add in just a little oil. Allow this to heat and let's continue whipping the batter. Once the pan heats up, we need to add in spoonfuls of mixture and make the size as you desire. Once it's done at the bottom, you need to carefully give this a flip and make sure you cook it on the other side as well. The pancake should be nice, crisp and golden brown in color. This is done. Time to allow this to cool for a minute or so, and in the interim, let's pack the tiffin box. I'm going to have some mixed and steamed sprouts. Along with this, diced papaya. Finally, our savory veg pancakes. Well, I can ensure your kids are going to enjoy this for their tiffin. For more such delicious and tasty tiffin recipes, do not forget to subscribe to India Food Network. I'll be back with another recipe and show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.